This is how to program the Fastron controller on the Vizu Clam Griddle. The controller can be off as it is now, or you can switch the controller on, in which case the controller will start to heat up. In this case I'm just going to program it in the off mode. So to program it, press the P key for 4 seconds, 1, 2, 3, 4. Type in the code, which is always 1724, and press the P key. The word counts will display. Scroll down once to program and press the P key, and the word recipe will display. Press the P key again. All the lights 1 to 10 will illuminate so that you can access these to change the program. Select your desired program, example program number 1, and press the P key. And scroll down to the time parameter if you want to change that. Pause a second, press the P key. And after a moment the time will display. Type in the new time, 130 for example, press the P key. To access the temperature parameter, scroll down until you see the word bottom temp, press the P key, pause for a second, and the temperature will display. So you can enter the new temperature just by over-typing the previous one. Scroll down again twice to top temperature and press the P key. Pause a second. The temperature will display and you can type in the new temperature. And press the P key. To exit programming mode, scroll up to exit and press the P key, up to exit and press the P key, and up again to exit and press the P key. And the clam griddle will come back either to operating or off mode. If you want to make certain additional changes, just get back to the level where all of the lights are illuminated and select the new program that you wish to change.